unboxing, and I got this dimensions. See this? Look at it. Wait, oh, there. Oh. Boom, boom. Shut, shut, shut. Okay, okay, let me open this. Oh, I forgot. The carrot dog could turn into the carrot dog could turn into the carrot dog could turn into the destroyer carrot dog and the solar carrot dog. Oh, I'm not scared. Ready to unbox this? Oh, almost forgot. The marshmallow. Look at the Marshmallow Man. Marshmallow Man, funny. I'm a little Marshmallow Man. I could grow. Yeah, I feel like him. Unbox this. Oh yeah! Look at those! I opened the pack! I like this pack! Oh, look at the carrot dog! Oh. Oh, Stay Puft. That's it. All we have to do is just label the Stay Puft. Hey guys! Look at this. La la la, I'm a little Stay Puft. La 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 la, I'm riding on the carrot dog. La la, I'm riding on the carrot dog. La 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 la. Do do. Hey guys, and look at this. I want to show you this thing. I just opened the fun pack. I opened the fun pack. This is the fun pack. I got this. He's trying to get things for me. And that is awesome. Yeah, look at this. Look at him. Look at the carrot dog. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm doing this today. Ba, ba, ba. Look at the carrot dog. It's a 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 carrot dog. Go Ghostbusters! You want to look at more? I just made these because these guys are bad. Look at these guys. Look at this. Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So, bye guys!